I don't.
Hello. Good morning,
It's
everyone.
not morning. It's like almost afternoon time.
Good morning, everyone.
Or good afternoon.
It's still morning. It's 9:48
Or
a.m.
good afternoon.
Good morning. It's end of Easter
Was it
today.
close enough to Easter?
Yeah, it's end.
Hi, Robin.
Morning all.
It's end of Easter today, Monday, Easter.
Monday.
Ari kami subong sa park.
It's Monday, Thursday. I mean Monday. Start.
Easter Monday, eh?
Easter Monday. End of Easter.
And guys, you know what happened on Thursday? You know what's called?
Yan guys, dili kami subong sa park, family bonding. Ano kami guys, nag-grocery kami na bakal kami
We didn't go grocery. We went
mag kinahanglano sa sulod balay. Yan. My husband is eating a pie for breakfast. And my stepson is eating a ginger cookies.
No, it's not ginger. It's a ginger man.
Ginger man. Yeah, have a character. Yan guys, the weather today is good. It's sunny day.
Today I went
It's,
to the market.
it's last of summer because the sun is like a summer. End of summer.
I
And-
will still get days like this in winter.
Yeah. Para something end of summer and coming soon na ang winter. Yeah. Yan, shout out dira sa probinsya ko sa Iloilo, sa Philippines. Shout out lang da sa inyo. Hari kami subong guys sa park. Family bonding kami guys. Diri si Bibi Alessa. Yan. Sleepy Fasty. And may loving partner. Ayan guys. Shout out lang da sa inyo. Salamat sa time. Yan, weather.
Can I give you a little, Papa? Can I give you a
Sa
little?
park guys.
Can I give you a
Basta
little?
standby.
What about it?
A little.
May subong
Awero.
weather.
Okay.
Sarado iban nga. Sarado ya
31 days
pharmacy
and 29
kay
days.
end of holiday today.
Which one has 32 days? Kind of easy, Pa.
Sa lakutog diri ang akong video guys. Salamat sa pag-watching.